you stop and think about it, the healthcare industry represents 20% of the U.S. economy. 20 cents out of every dollar flows through the healthcare system. And so the breadth of organizations and services that they offer, not just to the people who are getting care, but to the organizations providing that care, all of those folks are potentially in a position to benefit from our degrees.
Currently, I work in Kansas City, Missouri as an IS analyst. I decided I wanted to continue my education when I was an admitter, and I enjoyed what I did. I was able to see a lot of different roles within the emergency department, within the hospital. I wasn't satisfied doing that for the rest of my life.
So the executive program is designed to maximize the educational experience for full-time working adults.
I decided to work at the Department of Veterans Affairs because I was actually in the National Guard, and I was kind of looking for something else to do, some continuing education. This seemed like it would be perfect since I could continue working.
We try and take advantage of every modality that's available to us. We give you a lot of online interaction, a lot of online material and so forth.
They know that we work full-time jobs at least. A lot of people have families. They try to make the syllabus and the curriculum to where we can get it done.
Pedagogically, we're focused on peer learning. You will have many opportunities to teach your fellow students. You'll have even more opportunities to learn from 20 or 30 other folks.
I was the only clinical engineer, at least in my course. I think I brought a little bit of the technical expertise.
We have pediatricians there, we have lawyers there, we have directors in there as well. I'm probably the youngest in the class, so it's nice just hearing all that knowledge that they have.
The diversity of opinion, the diversity of perspectives on each issue related to something as complex as the U.S. healthcare system really gives you an educational experience that no amount of faculty time and no amount of reading and watching videos and so forth can.
I learn probably more from them than from the textbook because it's real life and what they've gone through, where they started, where they are now.
It definitely changed my perspective and it was eye-opening.
The things that you learn about each other help you develop what will be a core network for the new direction that your career is going to take.
A lot of people, they started at one position and within the program they advance. You see that a lot. I was an admitting representative at the beginning of the program, and then I did advance within my company to the IT department.
Yeah, I think the skills that I learned, every weekend that I was on campus, I was immediately able to take them into work the next week.
The faculty are very knowledgeable about the students. We know the kinds of lives that you lead. We're building a program for people like that.
The support system within this program has been great. So if you get in and you're kind of struggling, just talk to your professors or talk to me or talk to any of your classmates there. I mean, they're there to help you.
We get you back on track. You take a pause, you come back if you need to. One way or another, we'll get you done.